Hello everyone, it's me, Henry Boxdell. Welcome to my channel, Troubleshooting with Henry. Today's episode is about preparing for the weather. Weather can be unpredictable, so it's a good idea to be prepared before you go on your trip. Make sure to learn about the climate of the country you're going to visit. It's important to know what you might be likely to encounter weather-wise, because the last thing you want is to be taken by surprise. Doing some basic weather research can change your plans, affect what you decide to pack, and can even change the timing of your vacation. You can check out websites that give you information for the time of year you're going to be there. Dressing in layers is useful. The weather can change very quickly. Layers will help you manage your temperature. It's a good idea to always have some sort of rain protection in the event of sudden unexpected showers. Nothing can spoil your day like being far from home in soaking wet clothes. So pack a light raincoat or an umbrella. Also, keep in mind that man-made fibers dry very quickly, but jeans do not. When you're traveling, keep an eye on the daily weather forecast. Whenever my companions and I are about to set out for the day, whether it's driving or hiking or just a stroll in the city, we look at the weather forecast to see what to expect so we can prepare accordingly. Knowing the local weather will help you have a better, more comfortable trip. Don't stress when the weather doesn't cooperate though. If the day is a rainy, stormy one, take the opportunity to read, rest, and eat well. You will get back to your adventures rejuvenated. Surprisingly, accommodations in hot countries can sometimes be cold, especially at night. Mostly, there is no central heating or insulation. Houses are actually built to keep the heat out. The coldest we ever were when traveling was in hot countries during their winter months. If you haven't packed enough warm clothing, you might consider going to a second-hand store to pick up some sweaters, jackets, hats, and mitts. Then, once the weather changes or you travel to a different climate, redonate. This is a great strategy so that you won't have to carry bulky clothing with you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe below. And as always, special thanks to Johnny Flynn for giving us permission to use his beautiful music. Happy travels!
Is waiting for you.